Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I am Alex.
And I am Maya. We are very happy that you are joining us today.
Today we are going to talk about something that is very important in every person's life.
Yes, today's topic is talking about your family in English.
Family is one of the most common topics in everyday conversations.
People often ask questions about family when they meet someone new.
Questions like, do you have a big family? Or, where does your family live?
When you can answer these questions comfortably, your conversations become more natural.
So today we will learn how to describe your family in simple and clear English.
Let us begin.
The first step is introducing your family.
You can say something simple like this. I have a small family. I have a big family.
Then you can describe the members of your family.
For example, you could say something like this. I have one brother and one sister. I live with my parents. My parents live in another city.
You can also talk about what your family members do.
For example, my father is a teacher. My mother works in a hospital. My brother is studying at university.
Talking about your family helps people understand more about your life.
You can also describe your relationship with your family.
For example, I am very close to my family. My family is very supportive. We enjoy spending time together.
Sometimes people also talk about family activities.
You might say something like this. We eat dinner together every evening. We like to travel together. We enjoy watching movies together.
These simple sentences help you share your personal experiences.
Now let us imagine a short story.
I have a small family. I live with my parents and my younger sister.
My father works as an engineer, and my mother is a teacher.
In the evening, we usually eat dinner together and talk about our day.
On weekends, we sometimes visit relatives or go out for lunch.
This is a simple and natural way to talk about your family. Now, Alex, would you like to give an example from your life?
Of course, I have a small family. I live with my parents and my younger brother. My father works in a bank, and my mother is a teacher. My brother is still in school. In the evening, we usually sit together and talk about our day. On weekends, we like to watch movies or go out for dinner together.
Hey listeners, now it is your turn to practice. Describe your family. Talk about who they are and what they do.
Practice speaking for 5 to 10 minutes.
Things to practice at home, at the office, or while you are traveling are given in the description below.
Use those sentences to improve your English speaking confidence.
Family is a wonderful topic because it connects people emotionally.
When you talk about your family, you share a part of your life with others.
Keep practicing simple sentences, and your English will become more natural.
Thank you for joining us today on English Tour.
See you in the next episode.